Hello everybody, it's a big pleasure to talk today here at the China Unicom Global Partner event. Unfortunately, we cannot meet in person, but I'm very much looking forward to have personal discussions with you very soon. In my short video message, I will talk a little bit about how our markets are changing, the big need for innovation, transformation, and also collaboration in our industry. If we look into the markets, we see a couple of big trends. One is, of course, the strength of hyperscalers who are in some areas cannibalizing our business, where we have in other areas the big need of collaboration also with them and also provide our services to them. A big trend is the change of customer demand. Today, our customers expect that we are delivering services not within weeks, but rather within hours in a very automized way. And also the target customers are changing. Developers are becoming a big partner and also customer for us because many of our services are just integrated into a piece of software called APIs and then placed on websites and also on apps. International enabling is driven by our retail business, like IoT. With IoT, we have a completely different demand how we are running our roaming business, how we are also improving when it comes to local breakout to support critical IoT with a very low latency. And we have to embrace, of course, the hyperscalers as our customers as well. So what we are doing at Deutsche Telekom is we are converting from a traditional monolithic carrier model into a digital global provider with an API-based architecture. We are seeing ourselves not anymore just to be a carrier-to-carrier provider, but rather a carrier-to-X provider. We go from voice termination into cloud communication, A2P messaging and premium internet. We want to be on eye level with the hyperscalers when we are providing the services on a global scale. We see that human-intense sales operations and long delivery times have to be replaced by self-ordering and automated delivery. Long contracts, minimum commitments and RFPs are topics of the past. The future is based on pay-as-you-grow, real-time settlements, and we have to focus on connectivity not only, but rather go into network of networks and become a software-enabled connectivity orchestrator. All this for us is not a lip service. We are heavily working on this with a list of initiatives that you see on this chart on the right-hand side. And all that you see here is a big matter of strong collaboration. Collaboration with Asian carriers, collaboration with the US carriers, collaboration with the European and African carriers. We have to create jointly a much faster, much more automized service quality that we can only do jointly. One example of this is what we are doing in the area of network as a service. We see that there are certain services coming also with 5G, like network slicing, and this we have, for example, to also enable worldwide on a very standardized way. For this, we have kicked off the Camara Alliance, and with Camara, we have a big and wide group of other vendors and supporters who are then picking up the same services, having the same standard, and being then easily accessible for our customers. So everything that we are doing is based on collaboration. So dear partners, as a summary, the markets are changing, the demand is changing, our environment is changing with always a higher pace. We have to innovate, we have to transform our business, and we have to collaborate. And for this, we need to talk. It's all about human interaction. And on my side, I'm very open for you to approach me either via a call, an email, or a LinkedIn contact. Thank you very much for your attention.